Welcome back to Tom's One Take, and this week, finally, we're going to listen and review the opening of the original Star Wars. And what is there to say about the original Star Wars score? To be really honest, not all that much, except for the fact that it's absolutely brilliant and it's a game changer from that point on. So let's just play it, but I'm going to play a very special version of this because I want to talk to you about a few things. So this is Star Wars 1977, the original opening crawl. So we hear the Fox logo, then we see the logos, and then the main theme comes in. And then I'm going to start talking. Here we go. Okay, opening logo, a long time ago in the galaxy far, far away. Star Wars starts. You know what the interesting thing is? The Fox logo was already recorded years and years and years ago by Alfred Newman. And he ended that logo on B flat major. First thing that John Williams thought, my Star Wars theme will start in B flat major. And that's really true. And that's why he did that. Now, we hear this super iconic music. And who doesn't get goosebumps just listening to this? There's for me nothing to say here. We can say what he does, we can say what he's not doing. But, you know, we're just listening to probably the best film composer ever lived on this planet. And we should play homage every time when we hear something great that he has made or what he's gonna make in the future, near future. And I hope that this craft that John Williams really stands for, this really thick orchestration for just the orchestra itself, no programming, no drums, no sound effects like idiots like I do, just 100% orchestral, full-on orchestrated music. I hope that that craft will never disappear, because once Sir John Williams or Mr. John Williams will not be around to give us all these fantastic pieces of music, who is going to do it? So a big homage, a big bow, and hands together for the master John Williams, who came up with this incredible film score. And that was the ending of this Tom's One Take. So any pieces of music you would like me to comment on, leave your comments below. Or if you have way more information to share about how this Star Wars theme came about, if you know more about this than I do, leave your comments below. I'll be very interested to see and to read them all. I will be back soon.